And good morning and welcome to the VSA Capital 5 Minute Morning Miner. It's Tuesday, September the 21st. Morning, Paul.
Yes, it is. Nice and sunny.
And the markets are a bit healthier today, even though Evergrande in China is still causing a lot of wobbles and wibbles. And the VIX index has gone shooting up this morning, actually, which shows higher volatility and nervousness in the market. So we're not out of the woods yet. But anyway, let's go through the news this morning, Paul. What you got for us?
Well, first of all, AIM quoted Ontario Gold Explorer Landor Resources published their interim results here. Loss for the period of 2.4 million sterling, which is up about 300% from the period a year ago, but this due to the fact that they got so much more drilling done on their Junior Lake gold property in order to extend that resource there to over 1 million ounces there now, which is near surface. So that would be understandable at this point. They also did a 3.5 million sterling raise in February, which also brought in more money into the coffers. So they've got cash now as of the 30th of June of about 2.3 million sterling, which should carry them into June of next year here. And they'll have a new drilling program to get underway here in October, where they'll be looking for strike extensions to the existing BAM gold deposit.
Yeah. Did I see, change the subject, say Afritin, they've just got a loan from Standard Bank Namibia, have they?
Yes, they have. This would be the first commercial relationship in a lending basis between Standard Bank and Afritin, I think. Comes out to be a pretty small loan at 4.5 million sterling. And it's specifically for the expansion of the phase one plant there at US 10 in Namibia. So, but it's already pretty evident that there's a lot more yet to mine, and the processing rates or otherwise the mine could be much bigger as long as they can get it running nicely in a stepwise fashion. So they may well be getting more loans from Standard in due course.
Okay. Yeah, well, that's good for them. What else you got?
We've got Ionic Rare Earths, which happens to be one of the firms which is signed up with us for Shanghai Mining Club in October. They're ASX listed rare earths clay explorer for Uganda, and they were talking about this time the enrichments in scandium on their Makuutu rare earths project, and essentially saying that it should be relatively simple to recover some scandium along with the general rare earth processing circuit in due course. Scandium being a very minor material in the world market at the moment, but highly useful if there is a much better supply of it, particularly for aluminium alloys. So it's gotten more press perhaps than it's in the past that it's been worth from a business point, but if it's easy to recover, there's going to be a market for it.
Very good, Paul. You give me an opportunity to give a little advert break there, because we're a month away from the Shanghai Mining Club and African Mining Endeavour joint conference in Beijing on October the 19th and 20th, where you get to present to really all the major movers and shakers in China, but also an international audience because it's a hybrid event, so it's also online. So it's a fantastic way of actually getting your company out there, as well as the fact we then obviously talk about you all year long in podcasts, and we do video blogs, etc. So it's an organisation well worth joining because it doesn't cost an awful lot. End of advert. Anything else, Paul?
Yes, we also have AIM quoted South Africa Diamond Explorer, Botswana Diamonds. Two more drill hole results from drilling what they call the river blow on their Thorny River diamond project in South Africa. 19 meters and 13 meters of kimberlite have been intersected there. This is a known diamond-bearing kimberlite fissure, so the widths would indicate that there may well be some mineable volumes here in these blows, because the average thickness otherwise of the dike is only 1 to 5 meters. So if you can get it up above 15 meters, then you're talking about some near surface type open cut extraction, which would bring the cost of any diamond recovery down. So we'll see what they can make of this, but there's still a lot of drilling that needs to be done.
Very good. Anything else, or should we call it a day?
Oh, I think we can call it a day here.
Very good, Paul. Speak to you tomorrow.
See you then.